Hello, in this video, we'll be giving an overview of the purchase requisitions process within Axolt ERP. A purchase requisition is a demand that is released with the purchasing department that will approve them and raise a purchase order to the respective vendors. We are here on the purchase requisition screen, which lists all of the requisitions created. From the drop-down, we can edit, delete, or change the owner of the requisition. You can create a new purchase requisition by clicking New or simply going to the Purchase Requisition tab. Now we are on the Create Purchase Requisition screen. Let's add the requisition name. Then select the expected delivery date and the requester. Choose the purchasing organization, business unit, and delivery contact. Choosing Add, let's select the product that we are requesting. Then let's give it a name. Add a quantity and the unit price. Then select Save. Now we can see the details of the purchase requisition. Now let's go to the Purchase Requisition to Purchase Order tab for the purchase requisition to be converted into a purchase order. Here is a list of all the requisitions along with the product name, quantity, and other details. You can select multiple requisitions using the individual checkboxes for which the vendors are the same. Or you can select an individual requisition and raise the purchase order. For now, let's continue with our purchase requisition and choose the purchase order. This brings us to the purchase order screen where we can add the purchase order number and expected date. The PO number can be left blank to auto-populate the number upon creation of the PO. We can change the PO status to approved or submit for approval. We'll select the employee requester, the customer, the vendor contact, and the purchasing organization. The Ready to Receive checkbox, when selected, will auto-create logistics for the purchase order, which can be received and put away. At the bottom, we can see the product details with the quantity and unit price. The unit price can be populated based on the vendor's cost card, and the quantity is calculated based on the purchase requisition quantity, or it's based on the reordering rule specified at the product level. Click Save and we'll be taken to the Purchase Order Details page where we can see the purchase order number. To summarize, in this video, we learned how to handle the purchase requisition process within Axolt ERP.